Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Loka Seva Gurukulam online classes. In mathematics, comparing quantities. And in your age, you compare so many things, correct? Especially marks you compare. In a test, your own marks you compare. You compare the marks with your friends, is it not? And you compare the results of your school with another school, and you compare the rates of fruits, rates of bat, ball, books, correct? And some vehicles, some are interested in vehicles. This car will cost so much, this car will cost so much, that car will cost so much. So compare the rates, is it not? So all these comparisons are discussed in the topic called ratio. So in a daily life, there are many occasions where we compare two quantities, heights of weights, marks scored, etc. Correct? Even in cricket, they compare the scores. If there are two teams, they compare the score at the end of first over, second over, third over, 20th over, like that. The speed of cheetah, for example. What is cheetah? It belongs to something like a cat, big cat, ferocious. But a special quality of cheetah is it is the fastest animal in the world. So cheetah is 120 kilometers, and speed of man is 20 kilometers. Suppose there is a running competition between the two. Who will come fast? Cheetah will come first. Of course, to run with cheetah is not easy because it is it directly attacks. Is it not? So this means that speed of cheetah is 6 times more than that of a man. So because man can run highest is 20 kilometers, cheetah can run 120. So this is 6:1. And a comparison can be done in form of percentages also. About results I was telling, comparison, or you can say discounts can be compared. In one shop they give discount of 10%, the same article in another shop they give 20%, 15%, like that. So the customers will see which shop gives it a cheaper rate, same quality, same quantity. So they go for a cheaper rate, correct? So it can be in the percentages also, and you can convert the fractions into decimals and percentages also. And we can find the increase or decrease as percent. The cost may increase or decrease, and that can be converted into percents. We already seen what is called as discount for the Diwali festival or for the Dasara festival, Christmas and all. They put a board in front of their shops, discount sale. They give a lot of advertisements in TVs, is it not? What is discount? It is a reduction in the market price. So discount is equal to market price minus sale price, correct? Why do they give discount? Just to see that the whole stock is disposed, or that item may not have good publicity, there might be good demand, what you call it as outdated. So in that case they give discount. Even gold also sometimes they give discount. In Akshaya Tritiya and some festivals they give discounts, correct? So now let us try to answer the home assignment. First question, during Deepavali festival, a shop gives 20% discount on a pair of shoes marked at rupees 750. What will be the sale price? So market price, Solution. So market price. Note down of what? Shoes. How many are wearing shoes? Okay, majority are having, correct? Now every school has made it compulsory. Shoes. Rupees 750. That is a discount given. %20. So this is the market price. And sale price they are asking. So if the market price is 100 rupees, sale price will be 20% discount, means what? 100 minus 20. Followed? 80. Now the market price is 750. What is the selling price they are asking? So cross multiply. Therefore, sale price is equal to 750 into 80 by 100. 0, 0 cancels. So 8 5 is 40. 650, 600 rupees. So sale price is rupees 600. Why it has come down? Because of discount. For 100 rupees, 20% discount. And for 750 rupees, 150 rupees discount. And therefore sale price is 600. This is how they put the board. 20% off. So by seeing the title, no, people will be attracted. So that is what you can see in the shops. Noted down? Okay. Second question. An iron box marked at rupees 840 sold for 714. What is the discount and discount percentage? So market price. How many have done these problems? Okay. All are done? Only some. Okay. Those are not done, just note down. Actually, homework is given for you to do in home. Market price is equal to rupee way of presenting. 840. And it is a market price of what? Of iron box. How many know ironing of clothes? All of you know? Good. You have to iron your own clothes. Will you do it? Okay. I myself, I will do iron my own clothes. Don't give for the shops. Okay. Atmanirbhara Bharata. We have to do our work. Self-help is the best help. This iron box is sold, you can say selling price of the iron box is rupees 714. So whether it increased or decreased? Decreased, correct? So what do you call it? We call it as discount. How to do discount? Market price is 840, selling price is 714. 10 minus 4 is 6, 3 minus 1 is 2, correct? So 126. 8 minus 7 is 126. So, what do you write here? MP minus SP. MP is 840, SP is 714, that is equal to 126 rupees. So, that is the discount. Also, you are asked to find out percentage. Therefore, discount percent. Percent means what? For 100, is it not? So, it is calculated on market price. So, 126 rupees is the market price, sorry, discount. 840 is the market price into 100. See here, 0 0 cancels, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. Then 21 2s are, 21 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 5s are, 3 5s are, 15. So, 15% is the answer. That is the discount percent. How I got it? Subtract this markup, the selling price from the market price. You get a discount 126. Then find a percentage into 100. Okay, that is 15%. Super. Noted? Shall we pass on to one more question? Arun brought a pair of skates. You heard about skates? It will have wheels. You have to move in balance. How many know skates? Skatings. Even there is ice skates also. They move in ice in the cold regions like Kashmir and Ireland and in Siberia and other places. So, here he brought a ice skates, pair of skates, discount given was 20%. If the pay is rupees 1600, find the market price. So, here market price is not given. So, we will take it as let 100 rupees. Let the market price, usually use the sign MP of skates. It's a very interesting sports, correct? They make running race also in that and lot of circus. It's a very good balanced. So, let the market price be 100 rupees. Then you are given with discount. Discount how much? 20%. And you are given with the selling price, what you call SP, not superintendent of police. Selling price is given to be how much? 1600. And therefore, the market price if 100 rupees is the cost price, the selling price will be 20% less, means 80. Now, here you are given selling price to be 1600. What is the cost price? So, it will be 1600 into 100 by 80. 81s are 80, 20s are 2000 rupees. Rupees 2000. Suppose you calculate 20% of it, it comes to 400 rupees, and hence selling price becomes 1600. So what you have done is correct. Followed? Noted down? Okay, we'll pass on to today's topic. Profit and loss. For a business means what? Business means buying something, selling something. There are two types of selling. One is selling in small quantities. Another one is wholesale. So in large quantities, we call it as wholesale. In this business, we will have what is called as profit and loss. Okay, so the buying price of an item is known as cost price, and we write it as CP, and that will be marked there on the article itself. Okay, selling price means the price at which you sell is known as selling price. It is also called SP. SP is not Superintendent of Police. Selling price. So cost price is CP, selling price is SP. And what about profit? Profit means selling price minus cost price. So you can write it as SP minus CP. And what is loss? CP minus SP. Okay, some of the items have to be given at loss also, because for example bananas, to start with bananas will be big in size, they will give in a profit. When you come to the last, it becomes small, and the sale will not take place. So what you have to do, it reduce the price, it give less at loss. Okay, in total they will profit only, that is there. Nobody will start a business without profit, that you must note clearly, any shop. And one more thing, most of you may be business people also, is it not? How many are there? Raise your hands. Okay, so if you are business people, you should have a smiling face. Come on, show your smiling face. Only if you have a smiling face, you will have good business. Even hotel also, the cashier or of course, when they do for a lot of suppliers and all, they should have a smiling face. Those who work in kitchen may not have, and there is no expected, it is not expected. But those who face these customers, you have to be smiling, very important. Okay, this is I am telling for those whose children are business people. Okay, so please note this: CP cost price, SP selling price, profit SP minus CP, loss CP minus SP. Noted? Now we will work out some problems, and also there will be some other expenses. What are the expenses? It may be due to transportation, or it may be labor charges. Sometimes some things will be broken. Suppose it is a glass item or any small electronic items, sensitive, delicate, what you call. In such cases, there will be what is called as overhead charges. So when an article is bought, what is bought means what? Buy. The past tense of buy is called bought. Some additional expenses are made while buying or before selling it. These expenses have to be included in the cost price. These expenses are sometimes referred to as overhead charges. Referred to as overhead charges. Please note this word, overhead charges. And example are labor charges, transportation and breakages, etc., etc. So, this is inevitable. When a goods is supplied from one place to another, from factory to the shop, or from flight it comes, it may come from train, it can come from lorries. So, while they transfer here and there will be some breakage and some problem. Okay. Now, we will work out some problems on this. Sohan brought a second hand refrigerator, means fridge, for rupees 2500, then spent rupees 500 on its repairs and sold it for 3500, 3300. Find his loss or gain percent. So, cost price of the refrigerator, cost price of refrigerator, what you call that? Fridge. Please note down, rupees 2500 plus 500, plus 500 because it is for repairs. Some nut bolt we lose, or pipes maybe we lose and all. So, the cost price becomes 3000. Okay, and he sells it for what price? 3300 rupees. He sells it 3300. So, are they asking is it profit or loss? What do you say? Yes, it is profit. How much profit? Here SP is more than CP. SP is 3300, CP is 3000. So, profit is equal to 3300 minus 3000, that is 300 rupees. Understood? Okay, note down. Then they are asking percentage. For 3000 rupees, how much profit? 300 rupees profit. For 100 rupees, how much? That is called percentage of profit. So, 100 into 300 by 3000. How much it comes? It comes to 300 by 3000 into 100. Here 0 cancels. 3 by 30, that is 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means into 100, that is 10%. So, percentage of profit is, so formula, profit by cost price into 100. So, last step is percentage of profit. Please note down, that is the final answer, 10%. Followed? So nice. Coming to next problem. Meenu, name of a girl, brought 2 fans for rupees 1200 each. So cost price of fan, each fan is 1200. So there are 2 fans. So it becomes 2400 cost price, and it was sold at a loss of 5%. If 100 is a cost price, loss 5% means how much? 95. Correct? And therefore, when the cost price is 1200, for each fan 1400, 1200, what is the selling price for one fan? So, it will be 95 into 1200 by 100. It comes to 1140 rupees. Follow? And next there is one more. Another at a profit. One fan was sold at loss. Why at loss? It may be some damage. There may be some paint may not be clear. Some mistake. That's why you must sell it at loss. But other one you can sell it and there is a good joke about the fan also. You want to hear? Come on, sit straight, I will tell you. Nowadays, there will be so much of publicity. Everybody wants name and fame. So, it was told that they wrote their names donating to a temple or to any charitable institution. They write donated by Mr. So and so, and all those who come to the temple will see the fan. Oh, donated by X, donated by Y, donated by Z, like that. And they don't want to put the fan on, because if you on the fan, the name will not be seen. Are you following what I am telling? So what they do is, they keep it like that only. This is the order of the day, because they want publicity, name. Of course, you are all good boys and girls. You don't work for publicity, correct? So when CP is 1200, SP becomes, this is how you do it. This is CP, this is SP. So 95 by 100 into 1200 comes to 1140. So in the second fan, sold at a profit of 10%. Means what? If 100 rupees is the cost price, GSP, 100 rupees is the cost price, profit means 10% means 110. Now what is the cost price actually? 1200. So what is the selling price? Are you following? So multiply that 1200 into 110 by 100. Okay, how much it comes? It will be 110 by 100 into 1200, 1320. So one fan was sold at loss, another fan was sold at profit. So totally cost price, first fan is 1200, second fan is 1200, totally it is 2400. And cost selling price, one fan was sold at loss. This is the first fan, and the second fan was sold at profit. So this is the first fan sold at loss, the second fan sold at profit. Totally how much it become? 2460. Now what is are they asking, is it loss or profit? They are asking. So cost price is 2400, sold at 2460. Is it profit or not? So profit of how much? 2460 minus 2400. So profit of 60 rupees has been made. Correct? So if that's all they ask. So profit of 60 rupees. And in the question they are not asked about percentage of profit, correct? Only they asked about find the total profit or loss. So totally we will have profit only, correct? And the profit is 2460 minus 2400, that is 60 rupees. Got it? Very happy. Now let us see the home assignment. Noted down. First question, the cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Rupees 450 were spent on its repairs. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the article. A VCR. What is VCR? Video cassette recorder. Okay, a VCR and TV were brought for rupees 8,000 each. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on the VCR, 8% profit on the TV. Find the gain or loss percent you must find out on the whole transaction. Okay, now let us see what Bhagwan Baba says. Bhagavan Baba says you have to love your parents. Matrudevo Bhava. Come on, repeat. Pitrudevo Bhava. If you want to earn the respect of society, if you want society to progress, first set your home in order. So, for getting name and fame in the society, you have to respect your parents first, and you must make your house a lovable one. There should be good understanding, there should be bondage of love, peace, joy in the house. So if your home is in joy and love and peace, whole world will be in peace. Correct? That's what he says, samasta loka sukhino bhavantu vasudhaiva kutumbakam. Okay? So come prepared for the home assignments. Thank you.